to San Antonio Living. It goes hand in hand with the new year. You want to lose weight and you want to look your best. So this morning we're talking with Dr. Lopez. He's a board-certified plastic surgeon about a special laser that's been around for a long time, but it is receiving quite a few accolades from people in the business and women who have done it. And it's the BBL laser. It's good to see you.
Right, great to see you.
Okay, tell me a little bit about the laser. What does it do?
So it's actually broadband light. It's actually not a true laser because lasers at one wavelength. This is light that is filtered depending on what you want to treat. So what's fantastic is you can treat hair removal. You can do hair removal. You can do pigment. You can do vascular, so that the kind of redness.
The red stuff.
The red stuff. And you can even do skin tightening.
Now, you said, you've always said that this is a great treatment, but now there are studies out supporting the use of this laser.
Absolutely, yeah. So, first of all, people come into my office all the time saying, look, I want to look younger, right? But I don't want surgery.
Right.
I don't have, I work, I have to make a living, so I don't want a lot of downtime. I don't like injections, and I'm on a budget.
Yeah.
Right? It's kind of tough.
It is. It's going, what can I do for you?
Broadband light is fantastic. And what it is like we talked about, it's a treatment that you can do with little downtime, and you can take care of those areas. Now, we've been doing it for years, and there's 2 studies that just came out at the end of last year.
Okay.
Both out of Stanford, and they're fantastic studies. The first study was looking at patients in their 70s and up, so they have kind of aged skin.
Right.
And they did biopsies, or first they treated the forearm 3 times with broadband light. And then after the 3rd treatment, they did biopsies of that area.
Okay.
They also biopsied the untreated area. Right, so now you have treated and untreated areas. Then they did protein assays to look at kind of the gene expression of these cells. And it's amazing. So they compared it to youthful skin, and they compared it to aged skin.
So you're literally, you are turning back
You're turning back the time, yeah, exactly, at a cellular level. So when they looked at it, the treated skin actually looked more like youthful skin. So you really were rejuvenating the skin at a cellular level. So it's fantastic. Oh yeah, right? I mean, it's great. Now the question is, what does that mean clinically?
Okay.
So they did another study, said, okay, these are patients that have had 3 BBL treatments per year for 8 years. And they had their photographs. And then they had patients that have not had BBL in the past. And they asked doctors, nurses, estheticians, okay, guess their age. Pretty straightforward study, right?
Right.
Patients that hadn't had treatment, they basically it guessed their age within a year. Pretty much they were pretty accurate. People that had at least 3 BBL treatments for 8 years, the people guessed 9 years younger.
Wow,
I mean,
that's a lot.
It's phenomenal.
Yeah. I want to show you some of these results because these are people that have been treated with the BBL laser. We talked about pigmentation. This is, okay, Shelly spends a lot of time at the beach. I have freckles everywhere. Look at the difference before, after on the right-hand side. And that's the chest. The face, it's amazing because you talked about some of the red spots. That's a huge difference.
So there you're getting rid of the pigment and the red, and that's where you see the youthful change.
And that's 2 weeks later.
2 weeks after 2 BBL. So that's the key with BBL, is each treatment you're going to get an improvement.
Okay.
And you may need multiple treatments.
Look at this. This is acne scars, sunspots, things like that. It will take it away. This is 3 weeks after 1 treatment.
1 treatment, right. So that's exceptional, yeah.
And then look at this, 1 month after 1 treatment. Is your face going to peel? Is it like that kind of laser treatment?
When you're going after the pigment, generally that pigment will come out and you get a darkening of the areas that are pigmented, yeah. But for instance, the tightening, you go back to work that day. I mean, it's really where you're heating the tissue and you're getting subdermal tightening.
Look at the age spots on the hand. That's crazy. And you can really tell your age in your hands.
You can totally tell.
True.
Yeah, exactly.
So true.
Absolutely.
So you do this at the Lopez Laser Skin Centers. There's 2 of them in San Antonio. Very easy to get it done. And again, you can go back to work.
Depending on, again, because there's so many filters, if you're having for the pigment, generally that's a couple days where you get that pigment coming out. You feel fine, but you get kind of dark areas on your face. But yeah, we have 2 LPS laser skin centers, 1 in Stone Oak and 1 in Alamo Heights that can take care of that.
Okay, I love it. Very cool. Great ideas for the New Year's. You want to look your best, and this is definitely a way to do it, and it's supported by a study now, so you're going to get some great results. Here's the deal. There are 2 LPS laser skin centers in San Antonio. One is on 1604. The number to call is 495-5771. The other one is on Broadway. The number for that location is 822-5548. And Dr. Manny Lopez is a board-certified plastic surgeon. You can find him on Sonterra. All the information for everything you need to know is at his website. It's lopezplasticsurgery.com. And if you've got questions, just give him a call at 495-2367 for more information.